All right, Dave Arndt. Time for another update at the Mark, Sarasota. It is early May. Today is the 10th. I'm ready for Mother's Day weekend here, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Right now I'm on the level 12, on the penthouse level. We've got stucco and paint completed on this face. We got stucco and paint completed on this face. You can see railings going in up as high as even 11, 12, 10th floor there. We've got a lot of work going on, the pool deck now. We've poured more planters. We're forming these planters up to pour. We've got the columns there for the cabanas poured up. You can see the holes in the slab. That's where we're gonna have deep planters, palm trees. The pool will start soon, shortly. We'll be shooting the pool inside the structural pool shell there. There's the hot tub. That's the club room, and that'll be the window there, and that window over there, the large one, is going to be the fitness room. Actually, those 8 panes right there will be the fitness room. So I'm going to take you through and give you a quick update on where we are, but things are looking real good. All right, there you have it, back on 6 now. Just a gorgeous day. Really nice out today. We've got a lot of guys here. Obviously, it's lunchtime right now. They're all taking a break, getting their food, and going to be back for the rest of the day. So progress is going really well. We saw it coming down on 12, or framing interior walls, and right below that on 11 you see drywall. On 10 you start to see, 11 you see roughen interior of the walls. 10 you're seeing drywall, and then the drywall just keeps getting further and further finished. Corridors are getting done as we go up now. We've got tile going on. We're laying out tile on 8. We've got tile installed on 7, and on 6 we've got cabinets on 6 and going in on 7, and prepping to come in on 8 as well too. We've got 5 is tracking right around where 8, between 7 and 8 is, because of all the common space on it. So we've got interior framing going on there in the common space. So it's really going good. We're still right now tracking. We expect to have closings starting at the end of this 4th quarter. We'll roll the remainder of them into the 1st quarter next year on the upper floors, and we'll just kind of move through them as quickly as we can, and you're available. So hope all is well. Definitely follow us at the Mark Sarasota on Instagram. Follow us on Facebook, and send us any of your questions or comments. All right, look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.